chin up a little bit. There you go. Make sure you keep your face in the light. There we go. Right there. Eyes wide open. Back up. Yep, right there. 3, 2, 1. Let me back up a little bit. That was a good shot. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy, Brandon. And guess what? We out here in Norfolk. This is actually not downtown. We are actually on Ocean View. We got a new location out on the beach. Now, it's kind of windy out here, but it's not that bad, but we're going to try to make it work. So I brought it out. You guys have been waiting to see this combination. This is the Sigma 105 millimeter 1.4 with the new A7R4. 61 megapixel with the 105.14. And I can't wait to test this thing out. We are using flash. We're going to be using the 22-inch beauty dish today to really get some high fashion shots. We are working with none other than the beautiful Talia. She is back, and we are ready to kill it out here. The sun is going down, but right now it is a very, very nice diffused sky right now. We have some nice yellows, a little bit of purples and everything. We got some blues over here. We got yellows over here. So that's one of the things about doing on-location photography, knowing your ambient, knowing where to shoot, knowing where your lighting is and everything. So we're gonna have an amazing time. The only thing I regret is I didn't bring a second light to really kind of like pop out the picture, but that's okay because we have water. So we're gonna get some of these splashes. We're gonna get this light. We about to make it happen. So make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, I do wanna tell you guys, so the new Rogue Wireless Go that I've been using, I do now have the lavalier Go to plug in with it. This lavalier Go is specifically made for the wireless Go. I got tired of clipping this thing to my shirt. I really, really did. Turn it inside and out. So now I got the lavalier Go that is specifically made for this. So if you guys don't have this, if you guys have this wireless Go, go out and get this lavalier Go because it is made specifically for this, and it's a big lifesaver. So hopefully the audio is really good. I haven't really tested the audio with this yet, but I'm glad I got it. So definitely comment, like, and subscribe, and let's get shooting. Holla.
On fire, my debt is in pay. I'll take myself higher, so I'm feeling okay. Look at me now, I'm done with the chase. I taught myself how, now I'm feeling okay. I taught myself how, now I'm feeling okay. I wanna take my time to make my decisions, change my mind for no damn reason. I'm riding so low, I'm feeling so low. Break me down, but I won't be in prison. I hold my ground till my heart stops beating. I'm riding so low, I'm feeling so low. You tell me you need me, you tell me you want me, but you know I'm better off alone. You tell me you need me, you tell me you want me. Now I'm feeling okay. I taught myself how, now I'm feeling okay. I wanna take my time to make my decisions, change my mind for no damn reason.
All right, so turn this trigger off. Go ahead and get my ambient. Oh, got them yellows in there. All right, here we go. All right, and 3, 2, 1. Turn your head right over here with me. Perfect, perfect. 3, 2, bring that hand down. We don't do neck. There you go, perfect. Yeah, there you go. I want you to really like go for it. If you ready, good. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's fire. Here, check this one out. Now I want you to cross over. I want you to cross over like you're walking towards me. You know what I'm saying? You know how you like walk? You know what I'm saying? I want you to come in. I want you to come into that walk and I want you to pause. 3, 2, 1. That right there. So good. Now you're good. You're good exactly right there, but I need you to turn your body more. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Yay, there we go. That's the shot I was trying to get. And actually, I'm gonna move you a little bit that way so I can get some rocks and stuff behind you. Yep, this is good over here. And I want you to do that same pose, all right? Yes, there it is. You look like India Ari.
I just played her with one guy.
Did you? Hand back up, right there, right there. Away from your face a little bit, right there. Head back a little bit more. All right, let's see here. I'm gonna adjust this flash just a little bit. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. I love it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's a little bit too bright. Hold on. That's because that sun just came out on me. See, sun comes out, you gotta adjust really, really fast. As soon as the ambient keeps changing, that's the thing about being an on-location photographer. When you get stuff like this, sun is out, dip it through clouds, you gotta be able to adjust and go. We're gonna adjust and go. All right, here we go. I gotta back up for that shot. All right, give me that lean one more time. Use like this. That one, yep, that'll work too. All right, here we go. All right. Ready, and Jermaine back up just a tad. Perfect. All right, and 3, 2, 1. Up, yep, that's it. That is it. Gorgeous, huh? All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do a water shot. So when you have water that is slightly up on the sand like this, what you wanna do is you wanna shoot so that the flash is parallel to the water. This is the good thing about shooting with a beauty dish. The light is harsher, but it's a more contrast shot. So what you wanna do is you wanna come, I'm shooting with the 105-14. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come back here. We're gonna get long enough so we can get the water trail on the sand. So what you wanna do is you wanna wait for the water to come up towards your model. Once the water comes up towards your model, that's when you take the shot. But you want the lens parallel to the sand, all right? I gotta get that fucking sky. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold on, hold on. Okay, Jermaine, can you move that light? 3, 2, 1. All right, I got the silhouette. Let me see. Yeah, I got the silhouette. All right. So here we go. Yep, that's perfect.
Take the test shot.
All right. Talia, we gonna get this shot. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh! Oh God! Somebody kept me shouting, Jesus, 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 Jesus. Work. Woo, girl, you better work. Shit. Oh, this is ridiculous. All right, let's change. I can do this shit all day, boy.
Me too.
Look at this.
That's what I'm talking about. Fuck yes. Fuck yes.
Yeah, I know. Hey, what's up? So we just finished the first round of shots. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go ahead and switch to the 51.4. I'm gonna let my boy Manny shoot on the 105. But man, using the A7R4 with the 105 is like the best combination. That lens was absolutely insane with the 105, with the A7R4. I really cannot wait to put those pictures in RAW and look at the detail on them. But those shots were absolutely amazing. I hope y'all enjoyed that first round. Now we about to go to the second round. It ain't over yet. Holla. Hey, so I'm not gonna put the grid back on the diffuser. Oh shit, I said on the diffuser. I'm not gonna put the grid back on the beauty dish right now because I don't want to focus the light. I want the actual light to spread on the beach right now to go with the sunset and everything while it's going down. But I am going to soften the light with the sock right now. So we're just gonna throw the sock on here just to diffuse the amount of light that's coming out. Because when we shot with her earlier, I wanted to get that harsh lighting for a good, nice fashion shot. But right now, I'm going to put the socks on just to give one layer of diffusion so we can soften the light a little bit. So should make the shots a little bit softer, a little bit more pleasing since we don't have a lot of ambient out here now. So perfect. All right, so understand, since I'm changed to the 50 millimeter, I'm trying to get more things in the background. So it's not a 35. 35 millimeter is more of your storyteller lens. This is more like the small brother or the big brother to the storyteller lens. I can still tell a story, but it's gonna be a little bit more focused. So it's more of a portrait storyteller. So I'm gonna get her a nice portrait of her, but I can still get some things in the background about with her. So with all these rocks, with that background, that's why I switched from the 105 to the 50 so I can get more in the frame so we can actually tell a nice little story on the beach. Shot's gonna be fire, watch out.
Bottom up wet so it can like hang, or keep it dry for now?
Keep it dry because the wind is blowing.
Okay.
So if the wind blows, you can hold, let me show you a trick. Ooh, shit, let me show you. You can hold, motherfucker. Almost perfect, hold on. All right, here we go, test shot. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. Look at that shit.
What's your settings on?
Here. All right, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Girl, you look like Sheila. I'm ready whenever you are. I love it, just like that. Perfect. All right, here we go. This is better. Here we go. Ready? Yeah, you're good. Right there. Gorgeous. 3, 2, 1. You gotta be kidding me. Coming over here where the orange is at. All right, so, all right, boom. All right, hey, camera this way, behind me. Or to the side or something. 3, 2, 1. One more. Gorgeous, right there. Woo! I gotta get a close one. All right, so I like that. I want you to give me. Whoa, girl, you gotta watch it. Gotta watch it. Watch
Okay,
it.
I gotta do what? Watch my face.
All right, here we go. There we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Yes, yes. Give it, give it. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. You did a little bit. Don't hold your hair. You got too much on you to hold. You got robe, you got, everything. All right, perfect. Yeah, light looks good. Coming closer a little bit. All right, here we go. Beautiful. Chin up a little bit. There you go. Make sure you keep your face in the light. Here we go. Right there. Eyes wide open. Back up. Yep, right there. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna come up this way. All right, here we go. So you good? No, lay back down like you were. Yep. I want you to go. Yep, just like on your side, and I want you up. Eyes up here at me. Yeah, I think you're good right there. Yep, right there. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Yes. That was it. That's the killer. That's the nail in the coffin. We can go home. We out. Let's do this outro so we can get on. Woo-wee. Hold on. Can I wait a second? Wait. Hey, give me my camera. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold on. Good deal. I'm gonna turn this trigger off real quick, and I'm gonna do my own. Hold on. All right, here we go. Woo, look at that, look at that, look at that. All right. Yep. You guessed it. 3, 2, 1. Yo, natural light for the win. All right, I'm out. I'm done. This is so fun. Hey, what's up, everybody? It is your boy, Brand. I want to thank you guys for checking out another amazing video with the beautiful Talia. We had an amazing shoot. She did an amazing, exceptional job. We always create fire when we come together. So remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm going to let Miss Talia put her information out there. You guys, if you ain't going to follow her, I bet y'all go follow her now, right?
Yes,
right,
follow me at Muhammad T6 on Instagram and on Model Mayhem Muhammad T6 as well.
Oh, you got a Model Mayhem page.
Of course.
Model Mayhem and Instagram. Muhammad T6, I'll put her information in the comment section below. Until then, it's getting dark and we out of here. Peace.